What is good, guys? What is good? How is it going? Welcome to the channel today. I'm very excited that you decided to stop by. We have something potentially pretty cool going on today. But first,
hi, thanks for choosing it. So what can I get started for you today?
hi, can I have 2 Americanos? Can you put cream and sugar in one of them?
I can try.
Coffee. Okay, so like I was saying, heading over to the Swankymods shop. Ben says he has a surprise for me, so we're both gonna see what's going on, and this traffic sucks. All right, so here we are waiting for Ben as always, and he told me probably about half an hour ago he was gonna be here in 15 minutes, so I just pulled in like 10 seconds ago. On a side note, my birthday is coming up, and Ben said this is gonna be partially a birthday present, so I'm really curious to what this is gonna be. We got the old faithful sitting over here, doing pretty well. Everything's holding up, due for an oil change, spark plug change, all that kind of fun stuff. You're really looking to party.
Oh, I'm ready.
For what?
It's going down.
Damn.
It's going down.
I didn't know you were getting all these energy drinks. These little coffees I got us. I think yours is on the top. Yeah.
That's why you were so flustered with all those 9,000 drinks I got.
Dog. Oh, that's an Americano.
I was thinking about getting coffees. Okay, that's too hot.
Really? Some big surprise. So, I've been looking into how to get sweet. Damn. Well, all the haters out there tell me I got shaky camera syndrome. Oh man, this is like packaged nice. Everybody likes to do the Apple thing.
DJI's nice.
I didn't realize DJI was a big company before drones. Yeah. I thought they were just a drone company. Okay, so we have the DJI OSMO Mobile 2 that I'm going to be incorporating into the channel because you guys hate the shaky camera. And I don't even understand it because this thing has image stabilization in the lens already. But, oh well, let's open this thing up. Damn. This is nice. Now, after popular demand of shaky camera syndrome, we figured it's probably a good time to pick one of these up. Ooh. Now, in true fashion, like Furno's photos, the sniff test. Smells okay. Oops. Okay. Pretty cool, everything is all cut out, looks super simple, exactly what you need in the box. It looks like a little USB along with the gimbal itself. Right away, thoughts on that? Feels like pretty good quality. All the little buttons on here. A little snack, like you guys like to say with your little unboxing stuff. I'm gonna go ahead and charge this thing up and we're gonna get rocking and rolling.
Yeah, those are some spacers there.
Oh yeah, wait till I'm like, well, I got my new GTI spacers in. These bad boys are 2-inch, so let me know what you think about these.
You need to almost back up and put it like forward more. There you go. New spacers.
So one little thing didn't really realize here, this sweet thing's gonna charge up a while, which could have just opened it up probably and then charged it. And, oh well, whatever. Okay, so fast forward 2 hours. We did a little bit of work on the old truck here, and we are working on replacing the Teddy West side with the new gimbal. Okay, lock it on my face. Okay, so you guys can watch this. It is moving and tracking me everywhere I go. Working now?
Yeah.
Okay, so you guys can watch this. It is moving and tracking me everywhere I go.
God.
So we are currently looking for the replacement for Teddy Westside. I think we found it. The DJI OSMO Mobile 2. So, you see a little bit of footage from the iPhone coming up here real soon.
We should have a cardboard cutout of Teddy we put in front here.
That's a good idea. And behind it.
Now it's searching for you.
It's like, where'd he go? Are you still recording?
No, I stopped it.
Okay. You guys can watch this. It is moving and tracking me everywhere I go. That's pretty crazy. Inception. So. Alright guys, just wrapped up the little gimbal thing. Shot a little bit of footage for you there. Let me know what you think about that. And let me know what you think about Teddy 2.0, which Colton hasn't been up here. Colton hasn't been here. I evidently got his bike fixed, so. Anyways guys, thanks for watching this video. We'll catch you next time. Like, subscribe, comment, you know the drill. Peace.